My boss asked me to do a sales data analysis for the last few months. Need to see the data and trends of everyone. If just make a table or draw a graph, then it will like this. I believe my boss won't like it. Combining tables and figures, we want to surprise the boss. First, we copy the data and add the total at the end, then use the shortcuts to format the table. Add the charts column. Need to use sparklines here. Click Insert, select column sparkline, then select the data area. Click OK. Now, we need to format the table. First, increase the row height, and then let mini chart to show the high point. Like and follow for more tips and tricks in Excel.